What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Epson EcoTank printer to your Windows computer. We're going to be installing all of the necessary software and drivers so we have full functionality of our Epson EcoTank from our Windows computer. Now, the first thing we need to make sure of, guys, is that we are connected to the Wi-Fi on our Epson EcoTank. And guys, if you haven't done that, I do have a guide in the description on exactly how to connect your EcoTank to the Wi-Fi. But if you want a brief kind of overview of the easiest way to do it, you want to make sure that you have an EcoTank with a control panel here. So for me, guys, I'm using an ET-2900. If you have a different model, that's okay. So long as they have a control panel here, this tutorial will still work. It should be very easy. Now, let's just scroll along, guys, and this is how to quickly connect to the Wi-Fi. You want to go to Wi-Fi setup on the home screen just by pressing these buttons, and then you want to press OK. Then go to Wi-Fi, guys, press OK. And then you want to use the Wi-Fi setup wizard. And guys, it's basically like connecting to the Wi-Fi from your phone. It's going to search for the Wi-Fi's, select the one which is yours, and then enter in your Wi-Fi password. And then you can go down here for capitals, numbers, or symbols. So once you've done that, guys, go to OK and press OK. But if you guys want a more in-depth guide, check the link below, guys, where I go through other methods as well, if that's not working for you. But let's say that we have connected our printer to the Wi-Fi now. I'm going to show you how to connect your computer to the printer. So guys, as you can see, I have my computer up here. And the first thing we're going to want to make sure of, guys, is that our computer is connected to the same Wi-Fi as our printer. Because otherwise it won't be able to find your printer on the connection step. Now guys, the first thing we want to do is to go onto the internet and search up Epson. So you want to go to Google or wherever and search up Epson, and you want to go onto the Epson website, which is local to your country. So for me, guys, it's epson.co.uk. If you're in the US, it might be epson.com or something like that. So guys, we just want to reject all of the cookies, and then the page that we want to go onto is support. So what we're doing here, guys, is we are installing the correct software so we can use our printer properly from our computer. In doing this, we'll be able to scan, run maintenance, copy, all of these things, which might be useful. Now, what you want to do, guys, is to scroll down here and search up your EcoTank. So for me, I have an ET-2900, but if you have a different model, just search that up as well. And then here, it should just bring up your printer. So what we want to do, guys, is you want to scroll down. And for some printers, I don't know why Epson do this. For some printers, it might be a bit easier. There will be like a full package updater or like a full driver setup with everything included. But for some reason, with this printer, they just haven't included that. So what you want to do, guys, is you want to install these two. You want to install the driver and the Epson Scan 2. And to do this, and if you do this, you'll be able to connect your printer properly and you will be able to scan as well. Now, there are other options, guys. You can download Epson Photo Plus or Epson Creative Print. All of these, maybe even this one, Epson Connect Printer Setup. But to be honest, guys, I would just worry about these two. These are the ones that you'll be using most. Unless you want to edit some photos, then just download these two. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is we are going to open the driver. We are going to open the driver setup. So I think that was this one. Let's open it up and see what we get. So we're going to press yes. We do want it to allow it to make changes. And just like that, guys, it has actually just found our printer. This is pretty useful. So we are going to press OK. And what it should do now, guys, is that it is going to download the correct software. Now, guys, if you can't find your printer, I would suggest making sure that you're on the same Wi-Fi as your printer. If not, maybe a printer USB cable might help. I do have a separate guide showing you how to use that. But let's just press agree and press OK. So now it is installing the drivers. And what we're going to see is a little pop-up here saying, yes, we are doing this via a network connection. So we're going to press OK. And it's going to try and search for the printer. And just like that, guys, just like magic, it's found it. So we're going to press OK. And then it's going to install a few things, installing Epson NetPrint, whatever that is. And now it's going to install the correct driver. So we're going to be able to use our printer properly. So once we wait for that, then we should be good to install the Epson Scan software. So that is completely done, and that is, we just press OK. And that's it, guys. So you can already see, guys, if you go to, sorry about that little cut there, guys. I don't really know what happened, but if you go to printers and scanners on your Windows device, as you can see, you can just look it up. You will be able to see that your EcoTank should just be there waiting for you now, and which means that you can print, and you can even go into the settings here. Guys, you can check your printing preferences and all of these things. You can pretty much do almost anything from here, now that you've connected it and installed the drivers. You can change your printing preferences. You have all of these lovely settings to change the paper type and quality, and you can change your printer properties as well. Guys, there's so much you can do, and I would recommend having a look if you are really interested in getting the best prints out of your printer. Now, the next thing you want to do, guys, is open up the scanner software. So make sure you remember where you saved that, and then just open it up and press yes again, guys, and it's going to install Epson Scan 2. We're going to press next. And guys, this will allow us to use the scanner on the top of our printer without any issues. So it's going to install this, guys. It shouldn't take too long. This is honestly quite easy. And then once that's done, you will be able to open up Epson Scan 2 and press finish. And once that's done, guys, you will be able to open up Epson Scan 2 on your laptop or Windows computer. And as you can see, we have that ready to use. But that is it for today, guys. If you want to learn how to use the scanner properly and how to use all of the features that we've downloaded, check the link below, guys. I do have a guide on how to do all of these things. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, guys, make sure to like and subscribe, as that would help us out so much. And yeah, if you guys are in the need of any printer supplies, paper, ink, anything like that, guys, make sure to check out our sponsor down below, guys. They are a global printer supply store. They are really good, guys, really good prices. They have anything you could need, guys, and you'd be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us, your favorite printer content creators. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.